Welcome back to Duro 4x4. In this week's video we're going to have a look at a local car show. The Werribee District Collectable Vehicle Club have got their annual show. Let's have a look at some really awesome cars. Each year the club run their annual event where all the members get to show off their cars. Quite a few of the members have got multiple vehicles, but a great opportunity to get them all looking really good. We put our best shot forward on our C5 Corvette and got it looking nice and pretty for the day. And they had a great sausage sizzle. The atmosphere was fantastic with lots of really good cars. One of the things I really like about this club is the diversity of vehicles, and the people really appreciate all the different types of vehicles there are. Yes, you're going to have your normal brand bias like your Holdens and Fords, but I think even the true Ford people, the true Holden people, we all just appreciate a beautiful vehicle, from the vintage vehicles in our club right through to more modern vehicles that are still hitting that collectible mark. It's a good club, really diverse. It's our third year here at the Liberator Bomber Museum in Werribee, and it's a good venue for us, but the guys always put on a bit of a show. They fire up the big Liberator engine, and the firepower of that engine's amazing.
cars, and they're stoked as well. So again, thanks very much for coming along today. Give yourself a round of applause. Second thing, I'd just like to thank the B24 Bomber for running the engine for us. There's always an interest in that.